The family of a woman who was found hanging nude and bound from a Coronado mansion might soon get their day in court.
Investigators ruled Rebecca Zahau's death a suicide, but her family disagrees, filing a wrongful death lawsuit against the person they believe killed her. New at 5, 10 News reporter Amanda Brandeis explains what happens next.
The family of Rebecca Zahau has spent years trying to clear her name. In July 2011, she was discovered hanging from the Spreckles mansion balcony, her hands and feet bound by a red rope, her mouth gagged. A cryptic note was left behind.
They know that their sister, daughter, was not the kind of person who would commit suicide and not the kind of person that would flaunt her naked body bound and gagged.
Keith Greer is representing the Zahau family. He has two objectives: get what he says are the real facts in front of a jury and have the sheriff's department reopen the case. Investigators believe Zahau took her own life days after Jonah Shacknai's young son Max died from an accidental fall while in Zahau's care.
We think this is an awkward circumstance that just went awry.
Zahau was in a relationship with Jonah Shacknai. Her family believes Jonah's brother Adam killed her. Adam was staying in the property's guest house at the time. The Zahau family filed this lawsuit in 2013, but says the defense put roadblocks in their way for years.
Going to trial for the family is going to be very hard. And I don't know if they'll be able to even be in the courtroom.
He's talking about Zahau's family, who will have to relive her death in court. But they say it'll be worth it if a jury acknowledges she didn't take her own life. Greer says mistakes were made in the sheriff's investigation. He believes the knife found at the crime scene was used to sexually assault Zahau. Greer also says the investigators never analyzed the handwriting of the cryptic message.
You identify two pieces of evidence in this opinion.
Adam Shacknai's attorneys declined to do an interview, but tried to disprove those claims in court, saying evidence linking Adam to the crime is weak. Greer wants to let a jury decide. Amanda Brandeis, 10 News.
Now, if the trial moves forward, it's scheduled to start later this month. We reached out to the sheriff's department today, and they say they stand by their investigation.